to me, remember, NLP isn't just the techniques. It's an attitude and a methodology. The attitude has the belief that, anything is possible. Believing that everything is possible and can be done quickly is a good belief. It may not be true, but it's still a good belief to have. And the attitude is, I'm just going to keep doing until I get it. And that becoming relentless. And to me, I find being relentless a wonderful feeling. To me, being relentless is fun. My clients come in hopeless. Everybody's given up on them. Some poor psychiatrist brings them in and tries to explain to me, how, they're going to have to live like this the rest of their life. And I'll literally turn and look at them and smile and raise an eyebrow and look at them. And I can tell by the look on their face that they know I don't believe that. And I'll look at the psychiatrist and say, as far as you know, but maybe tomorrow you'll know more and you'll be able to take this guy and do things with him. Right now, I want to find out some information. I'll start asking them questions that nobody has asked them. That's the power of the meta model. When people go, well, I don't believe I can ever laugh. And I go, how do you know that? And they start describing the inside of their head. And I start changing the inside of their head. And suddenly they're laughing at something that seemed overwhelming. And they're having trouble remember things that plagued them. All of those things are a result of the power of the meta model. And when you do that with other people, you'll find it happens to yourself. I know people who use NLP, but they don't use it well enough on others that it leaks into their own life because they don't have that belief in the clients to come in. I know when my clients come in, they're going to change before they get there. And when they sit down and I look them in the eye, they know it too, because I'm relentless. And the more relentless you are about believing and producing positive change in people, that so that they can spend more of their day feeling good than feeling unpleasant. And that measure should always be shifting in the right direction. And there's a lot of ways to feel good. I'm not talking giddy, happy good. I'm talking determined, joyful, relentless, curious, all of those things.